Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And we are on our third part to our soap making process, y'all. If you haven't, make sure you go and watch my last two videos where I was doing this soap making process. This is our Valentine's Day themed soap. Gonna make a little small batch. I used raspberry mica, fuchsia mica, and also red eco glitter from Brambleberry. This part we will be pouring our soap right into our molds. And yeah, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and keep your girl, updated. So we're gonna start with this one first. We're gonna keep it going. I'm finna make a reel as well, so I'm finna repeat it, but not so much. I'm start pouring our white in first. Okay. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. Swirl all that in there. Now we're gonna go in with our red fuchsia color mica. Now we're gonna go in with our red eco glitter. A little bit more red, or pink I should say. And I will be piping this top, so because I really this is a small batch that I'm making. Now I'm gonna go in and do my little swirl. Okay. Okay, we just gonna set this to the side and get our, what's this called, piping bag together. Okay, everyone, my family is back, so we're gonna make this kind of quick, okay? Getting some of my paper. This is in case I have like small pieces, a little bit of the icing or frosting, whatever you want to call it, left over. Then I will be just putting it in there. So y'all will see what I do. But now we're gonna go along the sides with this. I don't know what type of look I'm going for yet. I'm just winging it, y'all. I wish it all was thick like that. Like that first one I just popped out. Yeah, I be seeing some soap makers. They're so where they're making the soap at. It's just so quiet and peaceful. I'd be like, oh, how I wish. It was quiet for a little minute. I ain't gonna complain though. I ain't gonna complain. So we just scraping all this out of our container. So let's wipe this soap up. And let's see what we actually have. Are we actually ready to start piping? Okay. Make sure y'all got a good view. It's watery, y'all. I feel like it's okay because the top will fix it. Okay. Whew. Hold my breath, y'all. Hold my breath. Start our second piping top. Y'all, my piping is trying to go everywhere. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, look at it, y'all. Oh my God. And we can fix this girl right on up. Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. So I just jumped right on here, sped this up because it took me a little minute My daughter came in talking about, oh, it looks so pretty. Girl, you don't even know the fiasco that just went on. But y'all finna see me hook this soap right back up. And it actually turned out really beautiful. It smelled amazing. And I'm really proud of this soap, even though it wanted to misbehave with me, falling all over the place. Where are you going, girl? But yeah, y'all may hear my kids in the background. We live, baby. We live. Doing homework, cooking, eating, talking, playing, and I'm recording and editing videos for my fellow subscribers. Hey, how you doing? Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe with the bell so you can be notified whenever I drop the cut to this beauty right here. Y'all see how the top just coming out perfectly now? Perfectly. So this was all I'm doing with this soap, y'all. Ain't nobody got time for Miss Bougie Butt over here. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all thought when it fell on me, y'all. It will be a nice bottom. So this is the finished look, y'all. I'm not gonna do nothing else to it except for spray some Sparkle Me. A little bit of Sparkle Me Aqua on there. Red. A little bit of glitter on top. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment down below what y'all heart do when the icing start tumbling over y'all. Tell you, girl, what did y'all heart start to do? And yeah, we just gotta wait for this cut, y'all. To see, cause baby, that was like not okay. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Always stay blessed, stay positive, no matter what. And until the next video, bye.